Hey, what's up guys? This is Matthew Ma here, and I just picked up the latest Apple iPad Pro along with Apple's Smart Keyboard Folio. The Apple iPad Pro comes in 11-inch and 12.9-inch from 64GB to 1TB with 4GB of RAM, except for the 1TB which comes with 6GB of RAM. I chose the 11-inch space gray 64GB model with Wi-Fi for its portability. Now let's open the box. With its A12X Bionic chip, the iPad Pro is blazing fast. Apple says it's faster than most PC laptops. The all-new Liquid Retina display screen, which goes edge-to-edge, truly doesn't go edge-to-edge, as you can see here. Don't get me wrong, it's way nicer than the 10.5-inch iPad, but there's still a thick bezel. I wish it was edge-to-edge like the Apple iPhone X. Face ID is finally here on the iPad. I've been waiting for this since it was first introduced on the Apple iPhone X. It's great for unlocking your phone, logging into apps, and paying with a glance, whether you're holding it portrait or landscape. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, USB-C. With the new USB-C, it gives you the ability to charge your phone and plug into some USB-C devices including cameras and monitors. By switching over to USB-C, hopefully Apple and other manufacturers quickly add device capabilities. Hopefully I'll no longer need to carry an external battery pack, now that Apple iPad Pro has the ability to charge my phone. The all-new Smart Keyboard Folio provides a great typing experience with front and back protection. However, one thing I noticed that many people did not mention is that when you flip over the keyboard, the keys awkwardly stick out and no longer stays hidden inside the case. Overall, the hardware is near perfect with this Liquid Retina display, A12X Bionic chip, neural engine, and Face ID. A question many people ask is if this can replace your computer. For the most part, the Apple iPad is in my everyday carry. However, I still carry my MacBook Pro to do the heavy lifting. If you purchased a Apple iPad Pro or thinking about getting one, let me know in the comments below what you think and how you plan to use it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.